There's no middle ground to greatness. You aim high, you go big, and you give it your all. When we started this collaboration, we had one goal in mind: strive for excellence. It's a simple goal, but with 25 years of combined real estate experience, it's easy to lose sight of it. The path to greatness is riddled with obstacles, and we've seen too many colleagues stumble. They cut corners, hire cheap contractors, and skimp on materials. But us, we play the long game. Brian and I put humanity first. We know that people are the ROI of life.
We handpick our team to ensure quality at every step of the process, from escrow officers to our construction workers. We're just as interested in building relationships as we are in building communities. But most importantly, we want to build trust. Smart risks require strong leadership and a bold vision.
On this project, we renovated a 7-unit apartment complex, a $300,000 endeavor that included new roof, sewer, plumbing, and the addition of 3 extra bedrooms, all with washer and dryer and air conditioning in the units.
The result? A property that now feels like an oasis in the heart of University Heights. By going the extra mile, this project now has a market value of $1 million more than what we bought it for.
We're excited to partner with you. We want to go big, and we want to take you with us.
With your trust, there's no limit to what we can build.